Okay guys, my cube is done, so hope if you like it, look, it's, and comment down below. It's what? Yep.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and our channel. Please click the bell button and subscribe our channel so that if we will make a video, you can get a comment that we have been sent a video on YouTube. Thank you.